Here are 3 things homeowners don't know about when it comes to bathroom remodels. The first thing is order of precedence. A lot of times when I'm on the phone with homeowners that call me for bathroom remodels, the one thing that they miss to understand or fail to understand is that bathrooms have order of precedence. What that means is that one thing has to come before the other. For example, a homeowner can call me and tell me, hey, I need my flooring to be done, but I don't want to touch anything else in the bathroom. And I sit on the phone and I'm confused because the problem is everything sits on the floor. In order for me to change your floor of your bathroom, I need to remove your vanity. I need to remove your toilet. I probably need to remove your tub or your standing shower in order to install new flooring, depending on if the previous installer actually installed your flooring underneath. The second thing is homeowners have no clue how many people or what teams are involved when it comes to bathroom remodels. In a bathroom remodel, there are about 4 or 5 key people that are really important to make your entire bathroom come to life. Some companies have all those people on staff, but most companies actually sub the specialty stuff out there. What that means is that a company can have their tile guy that works in-house, which means in their company, their carpenter, which sort of installs, the drywall and the framing and so on and so forth. But when it comes to electrical stuff, like the vanity lights, the outlets, the switches, and so on and so forth, those stuff are done by specialty electricians. When it comes to plumbing stuff, then the plumber does it. For example, installing the toilet, removing the toilet, installing the vanity, putting the P-trap into the vanity. All those things needs to be done by a certified plumber or somebody that it's a master at that, or somebody that is really familiar in that space. The other thing is mechanical. A mechanical guy can be important when it comes to a brand new bathroom remodel, when it comes to actually hooking up the mechanical or the exhaust fan that blows out whatever air or humidity that's in the bathroom outside of the space. Now, some companies actually allow some guys in-house to do that, but at the end of the day, if it's a really complicated space, you would probably need a mechanical guy. But a lot of homeowners miss the fact that these things are really key things when it comes to bathroom remodels. The third thing is timeline when it comes to bathroom remodels. Now, this is sort of a thing that is dependent on whatever company you go for, but I still feel like there is an average timeline for certain bathrooms and also certain circumstances. For example, there's no reason that a bathroom which was recently remodeled 5 years ago with no water damage or big complications should take more than a week or 2 weeks max. But there's a lot of contractors out here that can work on a bathroom for a month or 2 based on minor complications. When it comes to those things, then that contractor at that point is just incompetent. And this is not shaming on any contractor. It just generally means that they need to figure out the logistics and how they handle their guys in-house and the guys that they sub out, because a bathroom shouldn't take that long. But timeline are one of those things that there's no defined answer to, but it's still one of those things that I felt like I should include as one of the things that a lot of homeowners get confused about. The tip that I would give to you is that always ask your contractor how long this is going to take. Let him share as much information with you. Ask how many people he's going to use and things like that. A lot of homeowners are good at doing that, but I just recommend, using that tip. That's it for this video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Follow me, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more tips like these when it comes to bathroom remodels, interior remodels, kitchen or deck remodels. Thank you guys so much.